In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Zoom on a Mac. We'll go through the full process from downloading the correct version to opening the app for the first time. This is a simple setup, but there are a couple of places where it helps to know what to look for, especially when choosing the right version for your Mac. Start by opening your web browser. You can use Safari, Chrome, or any other browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the official Zoom Download Center. This is the safest place to download Zoom, and it helps make sure you get the latest version available for macOS. When you arrive at the download page, look for Zoom Workplace for Mac. Before you download it, make sure you choose the version that matches your Mac. If your Mac uses Apple Silicon, that means models with chips like M1, M2, M3, or M4, you should choose the Apple Silicon version. If you have an older Mac with an Intel processor, choose the Intel version instead. If you're not sure which one you have, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select About this Mac. That will show you your processor type. After downloading the correct installer, open your Downloads folder and find the Zoom installer file ending in .txt. Double-click that file to open it. This will launch the Zoom installer and begin the setup process on your Mac. When the installer appears, click Continue to move forward. You'll then be asked to choose how you want to install Zoom. You can select Install for all users if multiple people use this Mac, or Install only for me if the app is just for your account. After making your choice, click Continue again. Next, click Install. Your Mac may ask for your administrator password before it allows the installation to continue. If prompted, enter your password and then click Install Software. This is a normal part of installing apps on macOS, especially when software is being added to your applications folder. Now just wait a moment while the installation finishes. Once it's done, click Close to exit the installer. To open Zoom, go to your Applications folder or use Spotlight Search to quickly find it. Look for Zoom Workplace and open it. From there, you can either sign in with your Zoom account or join a meeting using a meeting link. And that's it. Zoom is now installed and ready to use on your Mac.